Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the Louis Vuitton Cherry Blossom Lily Flat Mule. Now opening this up, I do see a little glimpse, and I see a glint of a hang tag as well. Amazing! So we actually do have some packaging here from the Murakami collection, and I am so excited for that. Let's go ahead and resituate for a second though. Alrighty, so yes, these are the Lily Flat Mule, and I picked them up in a size 37.5. We do get the swing tag. This is the onion head. It looks like a dizzy little onion head. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side. And then we have the awesome ribbon, and this is a big box, so we'll have quite a bit of ribbon. Let me know what you guys are doing with these ribbons, or what you would do with them if you did receive them. I think they're so beautiful. I've seen some people wrap them along the top handle of their bag. Unfortunately, I haven't received a bag that I think this would go well on yet. Maybe with the, there's a little transfer from the box. Maybe with the Speedy Nano, if that ever does arrive, but amazing. All right, and now let's go ahead and open up our shoes. So I learned the other day that the shoes come in a sliding shoe box, which I think is pretty nice, so that you can actually use this box to store your shoes, and it still has like a very festive moment. So let's go ahead and open them up. They come in these really hefty shoe bags, which I really appreciate. And for the moment of truth, alrighty, so it does come with this little protector, which is really nice. And then it came with this as well, but it fell out. So we're just gonna put that to the side. Alrighty, here is our Lily Flat Mule. Oh my God, they are beautiful. They look really well made as well. They're kind of like suede bottom, made in Italy, 37.5, and you have a little flower gram right there. How sweet. All right, then the top of them is this beautiful black leather. And then of course you have the hardware right in the front and all of the little flowers. Let's check them out side by side just to see how the flowers line up. But I have a good feeling about this. So again, this one came with that insert. We'll just put those to the side. And here are our shoes together. So I wonder if all of the shoes have the same print in the same location. They do look strategically placed to me, so I would not be surprised. And honestly, I think with a luxury collection, you know, that should be happening. So I know there's a lot of questions about kind of the quality lately, but these look phenomenal. I'm really excited about them. Let me know what you think about them in the comments below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and try them on. Alrighty, so we are trying these on for the first time, and they're a little tight, I will say, like from the top, from this part, which I think is a good thing, that you're not gonna slide through. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. You have to let me know what you think about them in the comments below. Now, unfortunately, these are so small. So I am a 37.5, or I'm usually a 7.5 or an 8 in street shoes, and these are 37.5, so these should fit. But I don't know if it's because this is like very tight that I can't even squeeze my foot in there. This is just comical. So again, this is not my size. I don't know if they just run insanely small or if they need to break in a little bit. Let's go ahead and just hold it up to the bottom of the foot just to see. Yeah, in theory, it should fit a little bit better, but I'm gonna say if you are trying these on, you should probably order, I don't know, at least a full size bigger. I'm probably gonna try to find a 38.5 or a 39 at least. So keep that in mind when you're ordering these. I hope that's really helpful information for you. Again, let me know what you think about them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.